What I'm about to show you is not illegal, but it feels like it should be. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Not hustle culture, not crypto, not drop shipping. This is the reason some people seem to make money effortlessly, while others work harder every year and stay broke. And if you miss one sentence in this video, the whole thing won't work. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Money does not reward effort. It rewards leverage. If effort made people rich, construction workers would be millionaires. So today, I'm going to show you how money actually moves and how to plug yourself into that flow faster than feels fair. You were taught this lie early. Work hard, save money, and one day you'll be free. But money doesn't care how hard you work. Money cares about how many people your work reaches. One person working 10 hours is low income. One system reaching 10,000 people is leverage. This is why a 22-year-old YouTuber can out-earn a doctor with 15 years of experience, not because he's smarter, but because his work scales. Here's the illegal feeling part. You don't get paid for what you know, you get paid for what you package. Information is everywhere, but organized information is rare. The fastest money isn't made by inventing something new, it's made by simplifying something confusing for people who are already desperate for a solution. And once you see this, you'll notice it everywhere. Think about it. Someone explains fitness simply. Online coaching. Someone explains money simply. Newsletters, courses. Someone explains studying simply. Viral videos. Same knowledge, different packaging, different income. The internet pays clarity, not intelligence. That's why the fastest earners online aren't geniuses, they're translators. So, here's the framework. Step 1. Find a problem people already pay to solve. Not a passion, a pain. Step 2. Learn it just one level deeper than average. You don't need mastery, you need structure. Step 3. Document it publicly, not perfectly, consistently. This is where most people quit and where the money starts. But here's the mistake that kills everything. People try to monetize before they earn trust. Money follows attention. Attention follows value. Value follows repetition. If you skip one step, you get nothing. This is why it feels slow at first and then suddenly unfairly fast. And one day something weird happens. You post something simple and people start asking, "Do you have a guide? Can I pay you to explain this? Do you coach?" That's when it clicks. You didn't chase money. You positioned yourself where money flows. That's why it feels illegal, because nobody taught you this. So no, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's faster than that. Because once you understand leverage, every hour you work keeps paying you back. And the scariest part? You've had access to this the entire time.